AOPS counting and probability 3.20. How many pairs of vertical angles are formed by 5 distinct lines that have a common point of intersection? So each pair of lines give 2 pairs of vertical angles, because if the 2 lines are like this, there's 2 pairs of vertical angles because there's one on these 2 sides and another pair on these 2. So 5 times 4 divided by 2, since there's 5 distinct lines, and so you can choose from 5 lines in the first one and then 4 lines in the second one, divided by 2, since it's a pair. So there are 10 ways to choose a pair of lines. So 2 times 10, since there are 2 pairs of vertical angles in each, is 20 pairs of vertical angles. AOPS counting and probability 3.22. 8 children sit together at a story time. 7 children sit in a circle, and 1 child sits in the middle to tell the story. How many different ways can the children sit? 2 seatings are considered identical if the same child is in the middle, and both each child on the outside has the same child on his or her right in both seatings. So there are 8 ways to select the child in the middle because there's 8 children. So there's 8 ways for this child, and there's 7 factorial divided by 7 ways to arrange 7 children in a circle, because there would be 7 factorial ways to arrange 7 children in a line, but in a circle there are rotations, so you divide by 7. So 7 factorial over 7 is also 6 factorial. So you multiply these two, 8 and 6 factorial. So there's 5,760 ways to arrange 8 children. AOPS counting and probability 3.24. How many diagonals of a regular octagon are not parallel to one of the sides? So there are 3 diagonals that are not parallel to a side on any point. So in this diagram, if this is the point, there's 1 here, and 1 here. So, but you have to, if you just calculate 3 diagonals on each one and do 8 times 3, you have to divide 2 because each one is counted twice because it's double counted. So 8 times 3 divided by 2 is equal to 12 diagonals.